With the passage of time, the immigrations to America continued to increase, and this added to the increase in population of America. In the 17th century, a large number of immigrants came from Midlands and northern England. In 1720s, there was a new wave of immigration from Ireland. Although Irish people had been coming to America since 1600s, but there was a sudden surge in the number of Irish people arriving in America. In 1720s, some 50,000 Irish and Scots-Irish came to America. Irish people are mainly responsible for opening up of the West for the settlers. In the 19th century, the immigrations further increased due to poverty in European countries. One of the reasons for poverty was the English process of enclosure. Under this process, the free landholdings were brought under single ownership, and the person who was owner of the farm did not allow the other people of the community to use the land as was the practice in the past. When it was held under communal control, people could graze their cattle, cut wood for fire, and also use turf for fuel. But after the enclosure, the farms could not be used by common people or by people other than the owner of the farm. This practice deprived many people of their livelihood. Also, there were revolutions, especially in Germany and Italy, in fact, almost all over Europe. These revolutions started in Italy, in Sicily. They were republican revolts against monarchies in different parts of Europe, including France and Austria, Germany. Although all these revolutions ended in failure and repression, and many rebels had to flee to America to save their lives. Another reason for this increase in immigration was Jewish pogrom in Europe. A pogrom refers to target killing of any group of people because of their race or religion. We are familiar with Jewish persecution in many parts of Europe and also Russia. To save their lives, many Jewish people also immigrated to America. All these world events resulted in a sudden increase in the population of America. Between 1790 and 1890, the population grew from 4 million to 50 million. In 1900, the population was just over 75 million. By 1950, this total had doubled, and according to a World Bank estimate, in 2016, the total population of America was something like 323.1 million. Within 1 or 2 generations, immigrants begin to speak English as a result of cultural assimilation. So a point comes when there's a lot of difference between the linguistic profile of the grandparents from that of their grandchildren. As a result of all these immigrations, there has been a massive growth in the number of mother tongue users of English. 80% of the 323.1 million population use English as their mother tongue. This is the highest number of mother tongue speakers that we have in any one nation.